Okay, it's in the morning, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. It looks like S&P 500 just did a big dip. Japan 6 or 7% down. So the VIX I think is going to be huge. Oil is up, was almost $120. Now it went down a little bit. So the S&P 500, um, I don't see a big dip like that. There's a space in here. When was the last space in here? A little bit here. Wonder what that was. February, March. Oh, COVID. That was COVID. A little bit here. Uh, this one's bigger. Or maybe the same because it's higher up. Yep.